Welcome to Geospatial Developers. So in this video, we are going to learn how to install Geoserver on our Windows machine using the binary package, or how to run Geoserver on our machine using the binary package. So before you do that, you first of all have to make sure Java 8 or Java 11 is installed on your machine, and you can do that by following the previous video where I showed how to get the file and also install the Java file and the Java software on your PC. So in this video, I'm going to illustrate how to get the binary package and run on your Windows machine. The binary package is a portable version of the Geoserver setup. So to do that, we'll quickly go to their website, that's geoserver.org, to get the binary package downloaded. So geoserver.org. Okay, so I'm already there. Then you come to the download. You come to the download. Then you see Geoserver. That's the latest version, the stable version. That's 2.21. Then you come to the packages. So what we are interested today is the platform independent binary. So you just have to click on it. Then it will be downloaded on your PC. So when the countdown is done, it will automatically download the file for you. Okay, so as we can see here, I'm getting my binary setup downloaded. Okay. Okay, so we have our binary package downloaded. So we will quickly copy this binary folder and go to a secure location on your PC where you can always access that folder. So I'll just put mine in my document. So I'll just create a folder here called Geoserver. Right. Then I will enter into that Geoserver folder and paste. Okay. And go to the download folder and download the binary file I downloaded. Okay, so I'll come back to my Geoserver folder and paste it here. Then I will extract the contents here. Okay, so extract here. Okay, so our zip file has been extracted. So this is the content of the zip file. So anytime you want to run Geoserver on your PC, you first of all have to come into this bin file. Then you run the batch file. That's the startup.bat. That's the batch file. So this file will execute or start Geoserver on your PC. So it will open this terminal and initiate the Geoserver on a PC. So when this is done, you can go to your browser and enter your localhost port 8080/Geoserver. So when you see it's running this way, then it means Geoserver has started. We can now go to our browser and say localhost :8080, that's our port, Geoserver runs on port 8080, then slash Geoserver. So defaultly it runs on port 8080, but you can alter the port when it's conflicting with any other software on your machine. So when we run our Geoserver like this, so that's our Geoserver running. So you can see the difference between this and the other one. The Windows installer, we have to install the Geoserver on our PC as an application. But with this one, we only have to make sure Java is installed on the PC. Then we will just download the binary file. And anytime we want to launch the Geoserver, we go into the bin folder, and click on the startup.bat. That's the batch file to execute the Geoserver. Then you come to your browser and you type in the localhost port 8080 slash Geoserver and you get your Geoserver running. So I'll just log in. I've already saved this password on my browser. So that's our default username. So the default username for Geoserver is admin and the default password is Geoserver. You can log in with that and change it if you want to. Alright, so that's our Geoserver. Usually when you install, it comes with these default layers and stores with the workspace. So in the subsequent videos that will be shooting or during the training, the upcoming training in August, we'll go dive into the Geoserver, how to use the Geoserver, how to import data into the Geoserver, how to publish data, and all that. How you go through the WFX, the WMS, the WCS, WMTS. We'll go through all these and also get these layers into our GeoPortal. Thank you for following this section. We'll see you in our next video. Stay blessed.